Good morning students. Today we will study class 7th and exercise is your 17B. Exercise is your 17B. In our previous class we have completed up to question number 3 and I have given you the homework of question number 4. Now we will discuss from question number 5 and the question number 5 is given here. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equals to 3.8 centimeter and angle A is your 60 degree. After that AC equals to 5 centimeter, right? You have to construct a triangle in which AB should be 3.8 centimeter, angle A 60 degree and AC should be 5 centimeter. First of all, you have to draw a line of AB 3.8 centimeter, right? Draw here AB 3.8 centimeter. This is your 3.5678. 3.8 centimeter line is your here. Name it A and B, which is of 3.8 centimeter, right? After that you have to draw a angle of 60 degree. The angle of 60 degree, what you have to do, angle A is your 60 degree. Put here compass and draw a semicircle. First you have to draw a semicircle, right? After that you have to draw angle of from same arc. You don't have to change a arc here. Cut a one arc here, right? This one, okay? After that join it. Then you have to make a line here. You have to make a line from A. This angle is of your 60 degree. Okay, after that then here it is given AC equals to 5 centimeter. Measure 5 centimeter from your compass. 5 centimeter you have to measure. This is your 5 centimeter. Put it here at A and cut a arc here, right? Then join it. This, so name it here C. AC is your 5 centimeter. This angle is your of 60 degree. Now what is the steps of construction in this? Mainly in this chapter you have to, or you also have to write the steps of construction. How you have make the make this figure or make a triangle, rectangle, whatever it is given here. Steps of construction. First what you have to do, draw AB of length 3.8 सेंटीमीटर. सबसे पहले हमने AB 3.8 सेंटीमीटर की बनाई है. आफ्टर दैट सेकेंड इज योर ड्रॉ एंगल BAC. BAC इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री, राइट? हमने फिर क्या बनाया? 60 डिग्री का एंगल. देन विद द सेंटर A कट रे AC of 5 centimeter, right? Cut a ray of 5 centimeter AC. Then 4 join BC, right? Fifth is your ABC is the required triangle. This is your step of construction. You also have to write the step of construction. Now we will study what is our next question. Next question is given here, question number 6. Question number 6 is given here. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 4.3 centimeter, angle C 45 degree, and AC is your 6 centimeter. In this question number 6, it is given that you have to draw a triangle in which BC is your 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter, angle C is your 45 degree, and AC is your 6 centimeter. You have to draw a triangle here ABC in which BC 4.3, angle C 45, and your AC is your 6 centimeter is given. First of all, you have to draw a line of 4.3 centimeter, right? 4.3 centimeter. With the help of your scale and your compass, draw a line of 4.3 centimeter. This is your 4, then 1, 2 and 3. This is of line 4.3 centimeter, and name it, you have to name it B and C of 4.3 centimeter, right? 4.3 centimeter is your line. After that, you have to draw an angle of from C, angle of 45 degree, right? Don't change your arc. I am repeating it. You don't have to change the arc. Sorry. First of all, you have to draw an angle of 45 degree. But when you are drawing angle of 45 degree, you have to draw angle of your 90 degree here, right? From same arc, cut both the sides. It is of your 90 degree angle. Join it. It is your 90 degree angle, and from this you don't have to change an arc, and you have to cut it here, right, to draw an angle of 45 degree. This is your 45 degree. You have to take one cut from here and second one from here, right? Then join it. This is of your 45 degree angle. Join it. After that, here it is given AC is your 6 centimeter. Measure 6 centimeter with the help of your ruler. This is your 6 centimeter. Then cut from here and join them. Okay, name it A. After that, this is your 6 centimeter line. This is your required triangle. Okay, and the steps of construction should be same. Only you have to change it from 60, instead of you have to write 45 degree. Length should be 3.8. After that, you have to write 4.3, and AC, which is of 5 centimeter here, you have to write here 6 centimeter. This will be the step of construction in question number 6. You have to write the steps of construction by your own. Now we will discuss your question number 7. Question number 7 is, draw a triangle ABC in which AB equals to AC 5.2 centimeter and angle A is your 120 degree. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. You have to draw the AD perpendicular to BC. The question is very easy and you have to do it by your own, right? Question number 6, it is of, just now we have solved question number 5 and 6. It is same question, question number 7. Now question number 8, construct a triangle ABC in which BC 6.2 centimeter, angle B 60 degree and angle C is your 45 degree. Now we will discuss about your question number 8, right? Question number 8 is given here. Question number 8 is your, construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 6.2 centimeter and angle B is your 60 degree, angle C is your 45 degree. First of all, you have to draw a line of 6.2 centimeter. This is your 6.2 centimeter line. Name it B and C. Angle B is of 60 degree, right? Don't change your arc. Draw a semicircle first. This is your semicircle and draw an angle of 60 degree, right? You have to draw an angle of 60 degree first. This is your 60 degree angle. After that, from C you have to draw an angle of 45 degree. First you have to make a semicircle, then from here cut one arc. After that, from here your second arc, then one arc should be here and one arc should be here, right? Join it. You don't have to change the arc. I am repeating, one arc should be from the middle and after that one arc should be from here. This is of your 45 degree angle and join it. Name here A. So ABC, this is of 60 degree, this is of your 45 degree, and after that this one is your, this is your arc, this angle is your 45 degree. After that you have to join here 6.2 centimeter is your line. Okay, you have to write the steps of construction of question number 8 also, and homework is your question number 7, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. This is your homework of this exercise. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.